I like that.
As always, a fan of the packaging. Nice little quick setup card.
I like how it was
Glued to the top, so it's the first thing you see.
get ready. Interesting. Oh, you should see this. It has like a little pickup with hands. And it has a little thing. Can you see that?
Uh-huh. Oh, that's good.
Robot charging station.
It's not small.
She's cute though.
Yeah.
Position the charging station. Okay. Where's the power cord? Fits pretty perfectly. So here are 2 mops.
There's room inside the cabinet to store the extras.
Extra. An extra. Oh, I like the packaging. Oh, filter. Is there a cleaning solution? Is that where my extra one goes?
No, that's got a little arm. I think that's the arm that comes down the mop.
Mm-hmm.
But the extra one goes in the cabinet.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I was really curious how swapping the pads go because they talk about how easy it is and it's one-handed, and I'm curious if I can do it.
No. Oh, but it sticks too. There's Velcro. shiny so you can see my shadow. How do I get this? Which way's the front? Because this is here and this is here. But this is in the back?
That wouldn't make sense.
Extra, 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 and extra filter.
But you won't get a 2024 Medicare Advantage plan automatically.
It's definitely not plug and play. I had to monitor it while it was setting up, but with a few adjustments, everything was up and rolling fairly quickly. It got hung up and confused a few times, but I was able to solve the problem myself without using Hannah's help. So far, we're extremely happy with the job it does vacuuming and mopping every day. The new app has been a little glitchy, which is frustrating. I'm supposed to have options to refill the tank, and that is not always available, and I don't understand why. I really like how it stripes the carpet. Okay, so here's the app. Takes it a few seconds to load. I do like how I can start vacuuming at any time. But right here, even if I hit in now, I'm supposed to have an option to refill the mop tank, and that is gone, and I don't understand why. But the scheduling, the history, product settings, all these features are incredibly useful, especially favorites. Depending on where I am at the house, I like to set the order in that it does the cleaning. Here you can see the map that it's made of my apartment. It works extremely well. You can tweak the dividers, add clean zones, add keep out zones, tell it where to mop and where not to mop. But as a person with a disability, this makes maintenance around the house much easier on my wife. As you can see, I named her Amelia Bedelia. That was one of my books as a child, I remember. But the maid that does what you say, but kind of in a little different way. And that's kind of what these robots are. They're a huge help, but they do take maintenance, and you do have to babysit them, I'll say. But they still do a lot more work independently than I could get done. So it's a great tool. Here you can see adjustments for the suction power. I always leave it all the way high, trying to get all the hair out of the carpet. But all in all, I definitely recommend this product. It makes our life much easier. It gets a lot of work done, and 9 times out of 10, it does everything that it's supposed to. There are times that we come home and it's got stuck somewhere, but the majority of the time it works well and it lightens our workload.